made 3 lakh in last month, and not just from one client or one student, from 5 income sources. And I'm going to break down every rupee from where I've got, and I wish I had watched some kind of video when I was 22.
लेकिन तू कर भी क्या सकता है यार?
So I'm telling you now with every mistake and everything. So hi guys, I'm Kriti. I have passed out from IIT Dhanbad in 2017, and at 22 I remember I had a dream to earn 5 lakh per month at the age of 30, and I can't believe that I'm a girl who is living her dreams with her own conditions and making all the money. So today's video is just a roadmap for you and a good hope that you can have multiple income streams, you can earn good amount of money. Although you can see that I have started my journey way before, so whatever income, whatever things you will see, make sure that I have invested more than 5 years to build this. So I'll just give you a quick overview of the summary before the deep dive. So from agency I need 1,35,000, from coaching 45,500, from consulting 20,000, brand collab 30,000, and courses 20,000. So overall it's around 3 lakh something. And yeah, so now let's break each one down. So number one comes my agency. It's my strongest part. I have recently registered also, so I have got GST now, and I am also into the process of trademark, and I'm gonna take clients, new clients from GST, and I can't even believe. So yeah, it's an official thing. It's nothing like a hush push. I talk about it. I have an agency all over the internet. So it is my strongest income source. So basically how I make this money. So I offer services like SEO, LinkedIn, and social media marketing, and it's been a long time. So I focus now on high ticket and quality clients who are interested in retainer basis and who are good with the vibe, because after working with huge number of clients, I think that if someone is not you can vibe with, or you have like a lot of communication issues, or they have a lot of budget issues, then it doesn't run long run. So now I focus on the clients who run like a long term. So I have clients who are working with me from last year, like it's been more than a year. So like I already have clients with 3-6 months, but I also have clients more than 12 months. So that is my main goal and focus, which has also helped me generated good revenue in agency. So now what you can copy from me is pick one niche and dominate it. So I'll tell you what the mistake I have to learn from this. So I then started with content writing. I did everything. I offered everything. I even offer performance marketing, which is like Facebook and Google ads. But soon I realized, not after burning clients' money, we did generate good results for them, but I was not enjoying. And there is a huge performance pressure to perform and to give results, and I don't know, like in a very monetary way, that you give money to Facebook ads and they give you the results. So nothing much in creativity. So I finalized that I will focus on organic marketing, and that will be my USP. So I hope you can learn from my mistake and try to focus that from now on only. Now next income stream is coaching. Now I get so many DMs on daily basis that they want to learn from me and they want to know how I do what I do. So I thought, why not to monetize it? So I started offering coaching programs, and it is not for someone who is just looking for quick fixes. It is a high intensive program. We work on everything. We deep dive on content strategy, on the communication, negotiations, on the branding, cold DMs, everything. So it's a 3-month program, and I help freelancers who are stuck at 20k, 15k per month earning and want to scale to 1 lakh. So they can easily invest and give me also a monthly amount, good amount, and also they are someone who can see the results fast, because I've already crossed the mark of 1 lakh, so I can easily guide them. Like that's a very simple mathematics thing, all which I learned after working with I think 50-60 coaching students, because again I started coaching program like 4-5 years ago only. I know you are thinking that Kriti, you have started working, you started coaching also. Yes, because I got demand very early and I thought to build and monetize on it, and I'm so happy I did, because back then I was charging literally 5k for whole 3 months program, and currently I'm charging 50k. So it's like 10x I've increased the amount, but because I've given solid results, and like you just imagine if you're earning 20k right now, and if you can able to earn 1k, and that too monthly, like every month you're earning. So you have given a very small chunk of amount to me if you see after 1 or 2 years. So yeah, just one message: if you want to build your coaching program, that people buy clarity and not like offers and stuff. So just make sure that your end audience, what they want, what their goals are. income stream is consulting. I don't earn much from it. As you can see, it's just 20k. But what happened? Now it's a downsell offer of coaching program. So if people cannot afford that, I tell them that we can book a call right now. And whatever doubts you have, I can help you with the resources, clarity, roadmap, and in 1 hour or in 40 minutes, I can help you a lot. And also, by the way, check out my super profile link in the description, in which I have all the links of my consultation and wherever like you want to book the calls. So yeah, and it's very simple only because people see my content and book the call. It's just one call. They also get to know me, and if they like my one call, so many people get converted for coaching programs also, although that is not my agenda. But I have seen that people, if see something of you and they like it, they want more of you. Now before I come to my next income stream, I want to confess that something has changed me this month, and I'm going to talk in detail about that first. I realized losing clients was not because of my skills, but because of my systems. People clicked my links, browsed my offers, but left, like no follow-up, no automation. I was doing everything manually, and there is a capacity limit manual way. You cannot like do everything. You need some kind of automation tool. So 3 months ago, I just started this super profile on my Instagram, and I'm so happy. I have put all of my links in that. So I'm very quickly gonna tell you and just show you the features of the whole platform. So if it helps you, you can go and check out. Honestly, it's super cool and I really like it. So super profile is super cool basically. Website, first of all, I really like the vibe of it. I mean, I'm the person who, if like the vibe of the tool, software or website, then only I like to go through it. So anyway, I will show you like my stuff. So first of all, if you register on the first month, you get 80% off, which is a huge thing. I also tried, and I asked them to offer this discount to my audience also. So the link is in the description if you want. So here you can see the store, payments, lot of options. So I'll just tell you from my store. So here is the basic I have done, written, attached my social media links, written my bio, and all of the main links I have attached for it. I'll show you once also with this. So this is how basically it looks. So first of all, my this link in bio was so boring of Instagram or YouTube, but now it's amazing. I have all my links in this. So one, this can be done, and second, you can go and add content, and this is the very cool thing. Now see how many options they have given. This is mind-blowing because I have not seen, and I'm not even joking, I have tried so many other automation tools for Instagram, and they're way costly. So I can't even believe that Super Profile is doing such a favor to all on us with such less prices. So anyway, you can sell a course, or you can host events, you can offer one-on-one sessions, you can even sell digital files, you can even send emails to the abandoned people. That's how basically I closed, I think, few leads this month. You can also attach your WhatsApp community link, and you can redirect your buyers, or if you have a community, to your WhatsApp, so you can nurture them there. So link in bio is like the complete sales funnel mainly. And this auto DM, so basically I use this feature a lot. So I use on Instagram, and you can see my reels are being automated, and there are so many lead magnets I gave them, and I capture so many leads on day-to-day basis. I mean, I can't even imagine my life right now without Super Profile, because it will be very bad. And last, yeah, you can, if you can want to upload a whole course, you can sell here. You can put course title, you can cover image, you can put the description, you can put button text, and save and continue. So it's very simple. UI is so cool na, I can't even tell you. I think it's very chill and very simple. You can try their features. It's 80% off first month anyway, so I think you should go and try for sure. Now next income stream, brand collabs. Now this is very this lavish and flashy kind of thing on all over the internet, that people think, wow, you're having a brand collab, but it's nothing like wow. Honestly, it's the most my brain eater income stream, because for one collab also you have so many things with the brand integrations, and then pricing ka bhi hai, negotiations, and the payment you think. So it's something which is a tough to crack, and it needs a lot of audience also to build. So I won't say that go and jump and build audience and run behind collabs. I think you can start with other income streams. This you can keep for the last. So I basically got this I think 2-3 collabs for my LinkedIn. Then I got 2-3 collabs for my Instagram. So I think it's a good way to add income source, but it is not the only way. Brands love clear niche, consistent posting and actual use. So I just like to promote the brands who I actually use and love it. I don't like to do when I have no idea what it does. So I think that is the key point when it comes to brand collabs for me. So my next income stream is courses. Now this is a kind of a passive income, but I'm not sure if I can say completely passive because I still like to help as much as possible in that also. So I have this just one course as of now, Tolizum content, and I'm thinking to build more soon in the beginners, like people who just want to learn the skills or just want to take it slow, they want to do by themselves. So then they come for the course because they want to learn the skill and they want to try it themselves, and maybe then they want the support of me, like one-on-one support. So I have this course and I just gave them, and I'm like, it is perfect for you to start and to learn and to apply the basics and all. If you want my help, I'm open to it, but I think because I've just created it and I just sold it and I just get the money, so it's the simplest way. But again, passive income is only passive after a lot of time you have invested actively in that. It's not from day one. So why 20k happened this month? One reel revived my sales, auto DM converted the followers, email reminder from super profile worked, and high 10 followers is equal to quick conversations. So your course doesn't need to be perfect, it just solves one problem. So my course is perfect for someone who wants to start freelancing, who is just stepping their foot into it or have explored a bit and want to get up to some level. So everything is covered in that. Yeah. So what 3 lakhs taught me. So I was a kid, and even when I was passed out in college, I used to think, wow, yeah, like 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, such a huge number. I know if you are also someone earning 20k, 50k, you also thinking like that. But honestly, it's not. When you have proper systems, when you know the stuff, when you have worked enough, when you have built relationships enough, I think everything falls in place. So if you're watching me and you think it's a huge dream, then I have been through all of the stages, and I think it's not huge. It's just it takes a little bit of time, and you need right mentorship and guidance actually, because I wasted a lot of time in exploring myself, everything in previous years. So anyway, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I've put all the links mentioned in the description. You can go and check out Super Profile also. It's amazing. I think you should go and enroll it also. And yeah, let's hit your first 1 lakh together this year, this month, or maybe next month. And anyway, I'm very open in my DMs in Instagram and LinkedIn, so you can reach out to me there also if you have any queries, any stuff. Bye.